didn't get my garlic planted last fall. Now it's springtime, April 12th, 2024. I'm going to try to plant some spring garlic. This is all soft neck garlic I grew last year. I watched some YouTube videos on how to do this. Basically, it needs 4 to 6 weeks in the fridge or freezer. I did the fridge. Just put your garlic dirt bags in the back of the fridge, way back there, behind some leftovers that nobody wants to look at. You'll be good to go.
Why are there dirt bags in my fridge?
4 to 6 weeks in the fridge simulates wintertime. Got some roots growing. Looks good. Now the bulbs are ready for spring growth. Break the bulbs into individual cloves. I'm going to plant these about every 6 inches in rows 1 foot apart. About 3 inches deep. This one didn't make it. Rotten. Planting all the ones that I know have roots first. Plant all your big, nice cloves. That one looks good. It's kind of small. These look good. So these look really good. This is what you want to plant. I'll leave a link in the description to some of the YouTube videos I watched on spring garlic. Check them out. Hope this spring garlic planting works. I think garlic's one of our most favorite crops to grow. Put it in almost everything. So good. I really don't want to buy garlic from Safeway or Walmart. You got to grow the good stuff yourself. Keeps away the vampires. And there it is, spring planted garlic. Hope it works. We'll see what happens.
Why are there bags of dirt in my fridge?